Super CALLA. You're probably like the rest of us when it comes to having a ton of cables laying around that you need to keep all your gadgets charged up. It doesn't take long before this becomes a big old mess of wires. Super CALLA is a crazy new invention that's going to remove the wire nest from your home for good. Super CALLA is a charging cable, much like the ones you already own. It comes in a variety of different connections with different versions for everything from iPhones to Androids. How Super CALLA stands out from the competition in this crowded marketplace is its ability to stay tightly coiled up and tidy, but extend to its full length with nothing more than a gentle tug. This is thanks to specially designed neodymium ring magnets built into the cable at regular intervals. These magnets snap together in an incredibly satisfying way to ensure the Super CALLA stays neat and tidy. PUMPIX. Germs and bacteria might not be easy to see, but that doesn't mean they aren't all around us. It's been scientifically proven that keeping your hands clean is one of the best ways to reduce the spread of infectious particles. But how do you do that when you're out and don't have access to hand washing facilities? PUMPIX is here to solve this age-old problem with its innovative new approach to safe hygiene. PUMPIX is a wearable device that goes on your wrist. It deploys virus-busting hand sanitizer at the push of a button. Use it to disinfect your hands, door handles, and all manner of other surfaces before you touch them. For the environmentally conscious among us, PUMPIX is a godsend. The unit is totally user-serviceable and can be refilled indefinitely with sanitizer from a large bottle, much better than the small disposable bottles that litter landfill sites across the country. FALCH Surface Worker 250. The first invention on our list is an immense invention for when conventional pressure washers just can't bring the power. Allow us to introduce you to the FALCH Surface Worker 250. While standard consumer pressure washers are capable of delivering some impressive results, the FALCH Surface Worker 250 is up to 600% more effective than those home-use washers. If you've ever seen a pressure washer injury, you'll know just how badly that concentrated blast of water can hurt the human body. That's why the FALCH Surface Worker 250 features remote operation, allowing the user to safely control the machine from a distance. Even though it's hours above traditional pressure washer units, the FALCH Surface Worker 250 is actually incredibly lightweight for its size. It weighs in at a very reasonable 440 pounds. Even more impressive is that this highly portable unit can be disassembled to allow all of the components to fit through manholes up to 23 inches in diameter. Whether you're cleaning a sewer or commercial premises, there's no doubt that the FALCH Surface Worker 250 is the optimum tool for the job. Walk car. Every now and then you might find yourself wanting to get to your destination a little quicker, but be without access to your car. Walk car is an exciting new product that allows you to take a vehicle with you everywhere. In fact, it's pitched by manufacturer Coco Motors as a car in a bag. Walk car weighs just 2.8 kilograms and is only 13 inches large, about the same size as a MacBook Pro. That's a small vehicle. A single charge delivers up to 60 minutes of driving time, and you can reach nippy speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. There are no confusing controls or remote units needed to drive the walk car. You simply pilot it by shifting your weight in the direction you want to go. Stopping the vehicle is as simple as stepping off. Easy peasy. CORA. In New Zealand, the CEO of the Alphabet company, Larry Page, and one of Google's founders tested the CORA taxi. The vehicle is a two-seat unit that runs on electrical energy. To ensure vertical takeoff and landing, the aircraft was equipped with 12 reliable screws. CORA will travel by air at speeds of up to 111 miles an hour at an altitude of 492 to 2,953 feet. In case of an emergency, the aircraft will be autopiloted using 3 individual computers. One charge is good for more than 59 miles of non-stop flight. Developers are already actively discussing the future of the car with the government of New Zealand. The main aspect is the development of legislation for smooth transportation of vehicles. Designers plan that by 2020, a flying taxi will be certified and ready for mass use. Hyperjuice. Keeping all of your gadgets charged up is an essential part of modern life. But with so many devices in most households, you can end up using a lot of outlets just on charging breaks. Hyperjuice is an amazing new charger that can juice up all of your gadgets by taking advantage of GaN technology. Hyperjuice features 2 standard USB ports, and 2 USB Type-C ports, meaning that you can charge anything from an iPhone to a MacBook, all at the same time. Gallium nitride technology, otherwise known as GaN, allows chargers to take up as much as 1/10 of the space of traditional chargers and deliver 5 times as much power. In practical terms, that means that Hyperjuice charges more gadgets, charges them faster, and takes up less space than your old chargers. Like to travel? Hyperjuice comes with 3 different outlet plugs that allow you to use it in the United States, Europe, and the United Kingdom. That makes it the ideal charger for jet setters and business people alike. READEREST. If you wear glasses, there's a good chance that you're familiar with just how easy it is to drop them and leave them scratched or broken. READEREST is a novel new piece of kit straight out of Texas that solves this problem for good. Forget about putting glasses in your pocket, on your shirt collar, or even worse, on a chain. READEREST uses strong magnets to clip onto your shirt and creates a loop that prevents your glasses from falling off, even under strong winds. This super simple solution is the best way to protect your glasses from falls and scrapes. Stop worrying about losing or damaging your glasses, and let READEREST take care of them for you. We know they're expensive, and that they're important to you, so why not protect your investment? Worried that READEREST won't suit you? Don't be. It comes in several different styles, ensuring that there's a READEREST for every different person's tastes. TRITON. Now, breathing underwater got simpler. Designer Jabuyanan demonstrated an unusual device, thanks to which a person can comfortably explore the bottom of any reservoir. The device has a form of a mask made on the principle of fish gills. Even in deep water, a diver wearing such a mask feels very comfortable. Since oxygen gets in straight from the water, all he needs to do is bite a plastic mouthpiece, while 2 offshoots on the side of the device will start filtering the oxygen like amphibian gills. A flake surface of the device has several holes at the top. With their help, water enters the internal compartments which generate oxygen, and the remaining liquid goes back. The inventor noted that the device runs on batteries, and the excess oxygen due to the operation of the microcompressor will be stored in special tanks. COSORI Mug Warmer. Anyone who works in an office knows just how important a good cup of coffee can be in order to keep up with the demands of the business world. However, there's nothing more annoying than coming back to find your coffee has gone cold. Introducing the COSORI Mug Warmer, an innovative new gadget that promises to keep your coffee at just the right temperature for as long as you need. Set your own temperature and choose just how hot you want that coffee to be. The COSORI Mug Warmer can maintain temperatures anywhere from 77 degrees to 194 degrees. Capacitive touch buttons allow you to interact with the mug warmer easily and efficiently. The COSORI Mug Warmer has been designed to be totally spill resistant in order to give you peace of mind during use. Aesthetics are important, especially when office politics are of concern, but that's no problem for the COSORI Mug Warmer with its sleek brushed stainless steel design. PEENA keyboard. Looking for a Bluetooth keyboard to use with your iPad or other tablet computer? Fed up with boring modern keyboards that haven't got any personality? You might just be interested in the PEENA keyboard. This sleek, retro design keyboard takes the awesome aesthetics of typewriter keyboards and pairs them up with all the modern utility of a Bluetooth keyboard. It connects seamlessly with tablets, smartphones, and even laptops. You can pair up to 5 devices which the PEENA keyboard will remember for easy switching. The PEENA keyboard is a mechanical keyboard and uses genuine German-made ceramic switches for a high-quality typing experience. A built-in cradle allows you to simply slot in a tablet or smartphone and get straight to typing. No stands or fancy cases required. How great is that? With its cool retro styling and convenient portability, there's no denying that the PEENA keyboard is a great purchase for anyone who needs to get things done on the go. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of our new uploads. See you in the next video.